Hey, this is Chico here with you on call option trading. I just want to do a weekly recap for the week of May 19th to 23rd. And after that, today's Memorial Day, so it's the last week of trading, but there's no trading on this Monday, Memorial Day. It's a day off. All right, so last week, what we did, we played two stocks, and one of them we played multiple times. We hammered it three times. The first one was AMD. We picked AMD because it had a run up previous to that, and I thought it was a good stock to scrape some money off, and we were successful with that. Then, without other stocks, without too many events and news last week, we just went for Tesla the first time, and then there's still nothing else, so we stuck with another play with Tesla. And then to finish off Friday, we did another one, and we were successful all three trades because I think Tesla was a good stock because it also had a really strong run up in the past month and a half, and so like the upside, the likelihood of the continued upside is more limited. So that was one reason, and also the implied volatility for Tesla is relatively high to other stocks. Implied volatility is excuse me, is a figure where it typically gives you the how volatile the stock is, a metric, and the higher the implied volatility is, then the premiums are likely to be higher, and so you can make more money by taking more risk. That's what it's implied. But you know, in this case, I feel more comfortable with understanding how Tesla moves most of the time, and so that with that and the implied volatility that is out on the market, I feel like it's higher than it should be, and that is where the value that we can find in such a stock and to make money. So yeah, we can go to the spreadsheet and do a quick summary.
Here's what the numbers look like. May 5th to 9th, we had a record week. May 12th to 16th, we got torched by Tesla. So we did have a kind of a break-even week because we recovered with Kava. And this past week, May 19th to 23rd, yes, our first place was AMD for two contracts at 94 cents. And then we quickly bought it back for 26 cents. And so that gave us a gain of 136. Then quickly we moved on to Tesla. Tesla, we sold the contract at 258 and we bought it back at 82 cents. The game was $176, and we continue on to repeat that again with a lower strike price. And this contract was $1.63, so we made 155 on that because we bought it back at 8 cents. And then on the last Friday, we made one more play on Tesla, 52 cents. Not that much, but it does add up. And we let it go into expiration. It was out of the money, so it didn't get assigned. So all in all, the week we were up $519. So, yep, we played pretty hard, and we scraped up $519 for the whole week.
So there you have it for this week. Another successful week. Let's try to end the last week victorious. And we only had one kind of break-even week this month, and then if we make similar profits this week, then I would say we would have a very good month. All right, I'll catch you next episode. Don't forget to like if you like it.